Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the ScreenBeam WCB6200Q MoCA 2.0 Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the WCB6200Q into a power outlet near your router. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes for the device to fully boot. Verify that the power LED is solid green. Locate the WPS button on the side or back of the WCB6200Q. Press and hold the WPS button for about 10 seconds. Release the button when the WPS light begins blinking. The blinking WPS light indicates that the extender is searching for a WPS-enabled router. Within 2 minutes of pressing the extender's WPS button, go to your router. Press the router's WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. Release the button. Many routers will start blinking a WPS or Wi-Fi light, indicating that WPS pairing mode is active. Allow 1 to 3 minutes for the devices to communicate. During this time, the WPS LED on the extender may continue blinking. Do not unplug either device. If the WPS LED turns solid green, the setup was successful. The WCB6200Q now has the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, wireless password or security settings as your router. If the WPS LED turns red or stops without connecting, move the extender closer to the router. The connection process may take 1 to 3 minutes. During this time, LEDs may blink multiple times. The extender synchronizes with the router. Successful setup signs you may notice: signal LED becomes solid, WPS LED stops blinking. Extended Wi-Fi network appears. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.